àṣírí ti tú o. Àṣé àwọn olóṣèlú yìí ni wọ́n wà nídìí bí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ṣe ń pa àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn. Àṣírí ti tú o. Ní báyìí, lẹ́yìn tí gómìnà Zamfara pe àkíyèsí United Nations sí bí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ṣe ń pa àwọn ọmọ ìlú, ni àṣírí wá tú. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Yorùbá Nation ló lè ṣe o. Yorùbá Nation no going back. Tó bá yìí ń pa àwọn pariwo pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà, mo tiẹ̀ jẹ́rìí àwọn èèyàn ó ti sú everybody ń sìn. Àṣírí ńlá ló tú yìí. Àṣé àwọn olóṣèlú yìí gangan àwọn ni wọ́n ń pa wá nílùú yìí. Ìtorí ẹ̀ la ṣe ń pariwo Yorùbá Nation, kí gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá kan jí. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀, Yorùbá Nation ló lè ṣe. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀, Yorùbá Nation náà ṣe ní. Alright my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no, still on the matter. Yorùbá Nation no going back. Exactly wetin e be. Exactly wetin the people dem dey talk about. Yes, so onto this one, their secrets done expose. Now, before now, some days ago, I talked about this governor of Zamfara State, Governor Dauda Lawal, where this man come out, I say, he don't catch plenty of all these Fulani people, of these bandits. We be say, then they buy people up and down. We be say, then they do bad thing for inside this country. And then I know say all these people now then they extend come Yoruba land. We be say they come they buy us, they stop us to they go our farm. Now this governor come outside some days ago. He can't announce say he go expose all of them. You know, say we don't talk and say we get the Hausa and then we get the Fulani. These Fulani people then they attack the Hausa people. We be say then they buy them. Now this governor come outside. They can't let everybody understand. Say like this. Say as in catch all these bandits, we be say then they buy people up and down. Now him can't hand over them to the Nigerian government, make the court, make them give them the proper judgment. People will be say they don't confess it, now they buy people up and down. No, when they ask them, say yes, now they buy this one, now they buy this one. Some of them even say you don't buy 50, some don't buy about 100 people out of them. Waiting these people don't now. They no talk better thing. At the end of the day, this governor can't cry out to say after he don't put them for the hand of a court to make them judge, federal government for Abuja, made them judge. Now he can't hear say some people we call themselves politicians, we get mouth for the country, say make them release this bandits. Shibuna the year now so he talk this thing, this man can't come outside. In fact, he almost cry, say God, waiting they happen. God, you know, say me, I don't try my best to make sure, say, all these people, say them bring them to book. But some people can't come outside for one side, can't say me then go. Some people will be say, them believe, say, now then get this country. We call themselves politicians. Now, so this man, they talk. Now, it can't still happen, say, this thing can't continue for the country. You get to one person, will be say, one person where they talk about how these Fulani people don't enter inside Lagos now. We be say then buy one warder, one officer warder. We be say in the control traffic as they buy the man. This bandit for this Lagos now. This one happen. They can't even stay there. They show say nothing they happen because they don't believe say the people where they sponsor them now the politicians. This one happen for inside Lagos. No be that one me they go now. Now this governor of Zamfara State, as soon as they say I'm so, Governor Dauda Lawal come outside say no, this thing don't pass. Be careful. Unto say others bandits as then they buy people up and down. They can't still come back. They see the buy they go after him don't catch many of them, give them to the Nigerian government. They no do anything. Now in this man can say okay. If that is the case, no wahala. Now in this man can say the only solution now, since this federal government they no one do their work. Now in this man carry telephone, now he call the United Nations. say at least international community na go fit help us for this matter. This kpai don too much. This man explain say like this so even when we catch the people, the federal government for the court they go see say make dem still release these people. Now he say he don tire. Why be say una go catch people wey dey kpai people up and down and they release them? So wetin una dey try tell us say make dem continue to dey kpai us? Na in this man go invite a United Nations, say make them come put mouth inside this matter. My brother, my sister, very, very soon now, God done they do and for us, because all these people will be say, then they buy us up and down. They go soon wrong, come out for this country. God don't raise this governor. Everybody don't they thank this governor of Zamfara State, Governor Dauda Lawal. Now him in Congo X complain for United Nations. United Nations consent their representative. The name of the representatives, they call him Thomas Parker. Now him be the name of the representative we enter inside Obodo, Naija. As this man enter, this thing can't start. They can't do investigation. Now investigation start. At the end of the day, my brother, my sister, na no go believe am. The commissioner of police for Zamfara State, they can't trace out the people where they catch. Now they can't say, where who send on now? Now in this Fulani people where then they pack up and down, can't say yes, so then go confess. So now in they start to confess. Say one of the district head, say he dey local government chairman. In there among the people will be say then they sponsor them. My brother, my sister, this one will be say we they talk now and another news. In fact, this one are breaking news. Will be say it they reach us now. All these politicians will be say we get for this country. Many of them now then they sponsor these people. No wonder you go to see sophisticated weapons for all of their hands. My brother, my sister, no be small something. No wonder. Where all these people go they brag, even if you catch them, they go tell you say they get oga at the top. We be say he go release them. And then as this matter they go, now in the commissioner of police can arrest some lawmakers for inside this country. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Some of these lawmakers now them they give all these weapons to all these bandits. We be say you go just surprise say where they for they see all these sophisticated weapons. No knowing say now our politicians. Now, some of them, no be all of them, some of them, now then they sponsor these bandits. Now, they don't arrest some of these people. According to the commissioner of police for Zamfara State, he said they don't arrest some lawmakers. They don't arrest some of these politicians. They say, now them they sponsor all these people. My brother, my sister, waiting be their problem. In fact, he can't let us understand, say, a district head, say, and a former local government chairman, they among the people we be say then they sponsor these people we be say that they buy everybody for this country. According to waiting this commissioner of police talk, he say embodiment of this kind of people then they make the situation more complex for the police for people for the country. Now you don't show say in essence I can now say that all the caliber of people are involved in this attack. We be say Nigerians they shout up and down. Say all these big names, all these big people for country. Say they don't plenty. We be say then they sponsor all this attack. All manner of people are involved in this banditry, and it is so alarming. Yeah, so for head of district head to join these people. In fact, he can't talk say. This district head now they supply them drugs, all these drugs where then they take all those tramadol where they say then they take where they say then they use to they take dabaru everywhere. My brother, my sister, everybody can they thank this governor, the governor of Zamfara State, Governor Dauda Lawal for encourage this man don't come outside say he don't tire. Say the way we be say then they buy people for this country. He don't tire. Say they are in fact no, you don't see say nobody ready to tackle this thing. Now he can't go call the United Nations. Now United Nations they interested in this matter. All these things wey be say e dey happen for this country. That is why we don shout and say this country no be country wey be say any of us go even say we wan stay at all at all. No be country wey be say we go come sit down dey talk say e go better. Láyé láyé as e dey go so God don expose all of them. Àṣírí gbogbo wọn ti tú lẹ́yìn tí gómìnà Zamfara pe àkíyèsí United Nations síbi tí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí sí bọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn ọmọ ìlú. Now my brother, my sister, everything don expose. Yoruba nation is the only solution, either they like am or not. With all these things wey be say e dey happen, na Yoruba nation na im be the koko, na im be the only thing wey be say e go help us to take achieve our goal. Or else my brother, my sister, this kind thing wey dey happen, we no go fit do anything about am. Baba God, na your hand wey dey unto this one until I come your way next time. If this one are your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this channel, abeg make you help us to subscribe or share and then make it suppose they go viral until I come your way next time. I say na bye for now.